Step 1. Remove the outer packing cases. Separate the vacuum part case and the weighing part case. Preparation for weighing unit installation. Remove the fixing screws that secure the machine to the wooden pallet. Install the transfer silo on top of the cabinet. Align the holes and tighten all the screws securely. Unpack and prepare the discharge conveyor. Part 2. Installing the vacuum unit. Cut and remove all the cable ties securing the cables. Remove the protective film from the machine body. Remove the side panels to prepare for assembly. Install the positioning screws for the vacuum part. Use a forklift to lift the vacuum unit. Move it to the correct position and align it. Adjust the foot cups to level the machine and lock them tight. Step 3. Connect the weighing unit onto the vacuum unit. Lift the weighing unit and place it on top of the vacuum unit. Secure the connection with the locking screws. Tighten all fixed screws to ensure stability. Part 4. Installing internal weighing components. Remove the cable ties from the feeding vibrators. Now, install the weighing hoppers. Important: remove the red transit brackets used for shipping. The scale will not work if these brackets remain. Hang the weighing hopper onto the load cell sensor. Remove the second transit bracket holding the hopper. Make sure the hopper hangs freely without touching anything. Part 5. Connecting cables and air supply. Connect the main controller cable. Connect the load cell cables according to the labels. Connect the solenoid valve cables. Insert the main air pipes connecting the upper and lower units. Step 6. Installing the weighing controller. Unpack the Omron touchscreen controller. Mount the controller into the housing and secure it. Connect the factory main air supply here. Connect the communication cables to the back of the touchscreen. Part 6. Operation and commissioning. Connect the 3-phase main power supply. Turn on the air switch. Check the air pressure. It should be between 0.4 and 0.6 megapascal. Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the heat sealing switch. Check the phase sequence relay inside the cabinet. Ensure the indicator light shows the phase sequence is correct. Go to recipe setting to set target weight parameters. Demo 1. Producing flat shape packages. Install the flat shape mold for this mode. Select the flat shape recipe on the screen. Press Start to begin automatic production. Demo 2. Switching to brick shape production. Change the mold to the brick shape mold. Select the corresponding brick shape recipe. Press Start to produce brick shaped bags. Installation is complete.